my little birdie. Petit moine, my child. You're happy today, I see. That's for today, Grandma. You gonna cry on this bench? Now, you look like you. Almost crying for help? Come, breathe, my love. Tell Grandma what's weighing on your heart. Grandma, I am tired. Not sleepy tired, but life tired. Everything feels slow. School, plans, and money. Everybody online looks like they already winning. I'm still trying to figure it out. My child, is it social media season again? Like it came from an Amazon delivery. Here is wisdom from Grandma. Most African tradition say, little by little, the bird builds its nest. Something old but true. You ever watch a bird? They don't rush. One little twig today, one leaf tomorrow. Twig by twig, they build their nest. You and your Proverbs, Grandma. Grandma, what does that really mean? Child, they don't rush. They take their time. Slowly but surely, they build a strong nest. Safe, ready for life. That's how progress works, child. Slow progress still counts. That kind lasts, especially long term. We old timers say, when things hard, you should not rush nothing. My little birdie, the bird don't stop. They come back again. Day after day, PT, child. No rush, no noise, just work. That's how life is built. Brick by brick, little by little. The same way with you. Grandma, school is not the same. There are lots of classes. I can't do little by little. Every class counts, even the bad ones. How will little steps work? Child, when you read a book, do you read it just by staring at the book? Grandma? Of course not. I read a page at a time, then a chapter at a time. Of course, petit moine. My child, you may struggle at first, but you get through it with patience, one word at a time. Nobody can say, my granddaughter is not smart. I know my little birdie got there, little by little. Grandma, you make me laugh. My grandma is smart too. Some people who work save $1 at a time. No big bang, but in their mattress. It's saved and done, little by little. I built my business quietly, using a lot of discipline, day after day, with patience. Baby, that's how stability is born. Slow roots grow deep. Deep roots don't shake, even when storms come. That nest hold firm. Same thing for you, my child. You're building a strong life. My little birdie, don't stop. Day after day, stay focused. With school, work, or friendship, how do you build your nest? Oh, Grandma, you're funny. Little by little, you're the best grandma.